Waiving the home inspection has become increasingly popular over the past couple years in order to beat out other offers. In this video, I'm going to break down 5 reasons why you should never waive the home inspection, and you'll want to be sure to stick around to the end because the 5th one may surprise you. I'm Jacob Helmrick with the Agencty by Tarek El Moussa, powered by eXp Realty, and I specialize in helping people save both time and money when buying and selling homes. To stay up to date on the real estate market, fun things to do in the Fond du Lac area, and real estate tips and tricks, be sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out. Today, I wanted to cover reasons why you should get a home inspection. Reason number 1 is simply peace of mind. Getting a home inspection allows you to know what you're going into when purchasing a home. Even if you're not planning the sellers to fix anything, it's still a good idea to know what you're going into. You'll have a better idea of any money that you should set aside for future repairs, and you'll know if anything needs to be taken care of right away after purchasing the home. Getting the home inspection done will give you a detailed analysis of everything with your home, and it will help you protect your investment for years to come. The second reason you should always get a home inspection is for safety. This could cover multiple different avenues, and I'll touch on a couple of them. One of the more common things that I've seen appear on home inspections is the presence of mold in the house. While this may seem like a big deal, a lot of the time it's an easy solution, and there are very cost-effective methods to getting it fixed. It's absolutely good to be aware of though, because mold can be very harmful to your health if you're breathing it in. Another reason you should get a home inspection is to determine if there's any deal breakers. The inspection may bring to light something that is a really big deal that you or the sellers had no idea about. Depending on how your offer is set up, this could be a way out of the deal if the sellers don't agree to fix that item, or if they don't have the right to fix that item. This could be something that, again, without that inspection, you would have had no idea about that. And the 4th reason I always recommend to get a home inspection is because it sets up realistic expectations. I always tell my buyers and my sellers that an inspection report will never be a clean bill of health. A good inspector will always find things to put on that report, but that doesn't necessarily mean that these items are deal breakers. Simply means that these are things that you should be aware of, that you should keep in mind, that may need to be fixed down the road, or they may just be things that you want to be aware of going into home ownership. Your home will most likely be the most expensive transaction in your lifetime, so it's important to protect that and know what you're getting into ahead of time. This will ensure that you could properly set your budget so that you can maintain and protect your valuable asset. And the 5th reason I recommend getting a home inspection is if you're planning to sell your home. This may come to a surprise to some people because typically a home inspection is paid for by the buyers. So people who are going to sell their home don't think they need to incur this cost. However, I think it can be highly beneficial for sellers to get their home inspected prior to going on the market. One of the reasons for this is, like I've mentioned before, you're never going to get a clean bill of health on your home. So when things come up on the inspection report, I would always rather know those things ahead of time before I'm in the middle of a transaction. Knowing about any defects with your home before going on the market will benefit you for multiple reasons. This will give you more time to decide what you want to do with those items, and it can even help you save money. If you're aware of certain issues with your home, you could either go ahead and repair those prior to going on the market, which will make your home more desirable for buyers, or you could simply disclose those items to buyers so that they're aware of them before placing an offer on your home. An expert realtor will be able to help guide you through this process and help you make an informed decision on which items you should fix and which ones would be okay to leave and simply disclose to prospective buyers. Either way, the ball is in your court, and knowing about these items ahead of time will make the transaction go a lot smoother. If you're thinking of selling, reach out to me and you can learn more about my certified pre-owned program, which is designed to help you get top dollar for your property when selling. I'm Jacob Hamrick with the Agencty by Tarek El Moussa, powered by eXp Realty, and I specialize in helping people save both time and money when buying and selling homes. To schedule a complimentary call with me, simply click the link below. That will go directly to my calendar. We can have a one-on-one call where we can deep dive and strategize on how we can save you both time and money on your next real estate transaction. And don't forget to click that subscribe button to stay up to date on real estate news, events in the Fond du Lac area, and valuable content about real estate.